Now, let's go ahead and switch gears and talk about the weather forecast and talk about your Memorial Day weekend. We do have the potential for a couple pop-up showers, maybe a rumble of thunder as we move into the afternoon today, and that's going to be the case tomorrow. It's not going to be a washout, so don't expect all of your plans to get canceled, but just keep in mind if there's lightning associated with any of these storms, you hear thunder, that means you need to go indoors, and that's the case if you're out boating or out on the lake or even out at the pool. Now let's talk about what happened last night. We had a big complex of storms that sparked up in the Panhandle. It moved off to the east and it actually fizzled out really early this morning, but some of us got a couple drops of rainfall west of the I-35 corridor this morning. As of now, we are dry. We're seeing a little bit of cloud cover in the sky, but again, we'll continue to see some pretty dry conditions until we head into the afternoon. A couple pop-up showers and storms. I'm giving us about a 20% chance. This model is showing around 2 p.m. a couple rumbles of thunder across the metroplex and for our counties off to the west. Doesn't guarantee we'll all see rainfall. Just a couple of areas could see that potential. But again, lightning is going to be the main concern. Not likely to see any severe weather associated with these storms. As we continue into the overnight, that's when we're likely to see everything dissipate. Let's talk about temperatures. 84 degrees forecast high in Fort Worth, 86 in Dallas, 85 in Sherman. That's the case in Waxahachie, and further off to the west towards Breckenridge, we're at 86 degrees. Where we're looking at the shot of rainfall today is pretty much along the I-35, maybe a couple of counties to the west of it and to the east of it, I should say, and then far to the west is where we could see a couple more rumbles of thunder. We're initializing them into the afternoon because we get that daytime heating. Now let's talk about tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start the day off with a little clouds in the sky. Mostly sunny skies are going to be anticipated, but a couple pop-up showers and storms into the afternoon. Fizzling out by the evening is going to be in the forecast. Nothing significant is likely as we head into Memorial Day, but again, if you're out at the lake or if you're out at the pool, you need to make sure you head indoors if a thunderstorm does roll through your area. Temperatures tomorrow will start out around 69 degrees at 7 a.m., warming up into the 80s by lunchtime, and high temperature for the day topping out around 89 degrees, and that's at that 4 p.m. hour. So again, we're going to continue to watch for potential of afternoon showers and storms, but mostly sunny skies, and the heat index value will make it feel like the middle 90s. So just a heads up there, make sure you're drinking plenty of water if you have any outdoor festivities planned. Across the central United States, we're staying dry. Pacific Northwest, chance for some rainfall and thunderstorm development. And then eastern half of the United States, we're talking about anywhere from Maine stretching all the way down into the central Gulf, chance for showers and thunderstorms. It will be a very muggy Memorial Day for those folks. As of here, we are dry. We're seeing some sunshine. DFW Airport, 70 degrees. Winds out from the north around 6 miles per hour. We do have an ozone action day. Not a lot of mixing is happening in the atmosphere, which means ozone levels are higher here at the surface. Limit any outdoor exposure if you have any heart or respiratory related illnesses because of the poor air quality today. Again, 86 degrees is the forecast high today. We're moving into tomorrow at 89. Afternoon showers and storms are going to be a possibility, and then we see an active weather pattern headed into this next week. Our next big weather maker moves through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, providing us with more heavy rain in the forecast. Then rain chances start to dwindle by the end of the next week.